Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. You just type the numbers 0911, and this is the settings and info section. You can find the how do I play option under the language. Click to the plus icon and you can find different questions. How do I play? How do I color an image? How do I complete tasks? How can I change decorations in my museum? And you can find the answers. For example, color image to earn memory stars, use memory stars to complete tasks to renovate the Museum of Friendship. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.